Welcome back.
You're cute. Welcome back to Ken's Kitchen, guys. And guess what? It's no longer Ken's Ghetto Kitchen. I have got actual studio lighting. It's amazing. It's a great thing. I don't have lights hanging from the ceiling anymore. So yeah, we're gonna start this off right by making some Chipotle Ranch Cheddar sliders. These are gonna be phenomenal, guys. I've never made sliders before. I've made my own burgers, obviously. What guy hasn't? But we're gonna be doing sliders today, and we're gonna be doing it Chipotle Ranch style. The ingredients you need are very simple. It's very low cost, and you can make a lot of these for a very small amount of money. You really, if you're only feeding a couple of people, 2 to 4 people, you only need about a pound of ground beef. We've got 2 pounds. We've got some bacon. We've got some buns that we've cut in so that we can use them for sliders. We have our toppings here: cheese, tomatoes, and some lettuce and other types of, greens. But we've also got sausage, and we've also got onions. The onions are actually going to go into the ground beef. We're going to mix them in, and we're going to make tiny little meatballs. Once we have those tiny little meatballs, we're going to start frying them up, and I'll show you guys how to do that. But for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw my onions into my beef here, and it's going to gross Marissa out, but that's okay.
Ugh.
So I put some gloves on here before mixing this up, just because I don't want to get my hands all bloody and ground beefy and whatnot. So you just want to get a good mix. You don't want too many onions. I literally only sliced like one slice of an onion, like a 1/4 inch thick slice. That's all I've got for 2 pounds of beef here. You don't want too much because then your hamburgers will be overpowered by onion, and you'll really miss out on all the other flavors involved. So you want to make sure as you're mixing it that your onions are separating and they're going a good distance away from each other. I mean, you can obviously have some onions on top of other onions, but you just don't want to overdo it. That's the main point. And you should have something that looks kind of like this. Now it's not going to hold together all that well because you don't have any binding agents in this. We're not using any egg or any breadcrumbs or anything like that. We're trying to keep it simple. So we're going to start making our tiny little meatballs now. I'm going to grab a dish for that. Alright, so once you get your meat and your onions all mixed together and made up into little balls, this is what they should look like. What we're going to do is we're going to fry these in the pan, and we're also going to fry our sausage in the pan as well. You can bake it, but that really just takes too long. You don't really need to do that. Now this here is some Chipotle Ranch sauce. You can make your own or you can buy it. There are many varieties of it. You can find it in your salad dressing and your dips at your local market. Sorry, I can't talk. The food is in front of me and it just looks amazing. will you look at that? Oh my god. That looks amazing. Alright guys, so there you have it. We have the Chipotle Ranch Bacon Cheddar Burger, Cheddar Cheeseburger, whatever the hell you want to call it. It's a slider. They look amazing, they smell amazing, and every time I make a cooking video, someone has to drink water like a slob. That dog of mine. Anyway guys, if you like this recipe, make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Because the more thumbs up I get, the more videos like this I'm going to make. The more awesome recipes I'm going to make. This does not cost a whole lot of money to make. This was like under 10 bucks. It's crazy, and there's so much more. Like I can make so many more. It just looks a hell of a lot better than anything you can get in a restaurant as well. Leave a comment down below if you have any slider recipes or any kind of secrets to that. Other than that, let's dig in and let's see how good this was. This is gonna be amazing. Should I just do you guys want to see me do it? Like, should we get intimate here? Should I do it closely? Like, I don't know how to do it. Let me get a paper plate actually. Here we go. Oh, I don't need two. Alright, so this has pork sausage, beef, bacon, lettuce, tomato, other greens as well. I have dog fur all over me too. Alright, moment of truth here. Here we go. You can't buy happiness like this.
You got sauce on you.
I'm a messy boy. This is really good. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video gets 10 thumbs up, I'll have another video for you next week. Oh my god. It's so good.
If you don't get 10 thumbs up, you'll have another video eventually.
Yeah, like a month or so. Whenever I feel like doing it, yeah. Oh man.
I don't think you guys want to watch me, do you?
No, you can stop that.
Goodbye.